Hello, creatures of the universe. Welcome to my garden. I'm here to plant yam today. So I want to let you in. I want to show you how to plant yam. I planted some, but this tray is remaining. So I want to show you with this tray how to plant yam. It's no longer a news that it's safer to plant what you eat, because a lot of commercial sellers plant with fertilizer, which is not safe, which is not healthy. You don't need to be poor to plant what you eat. But if you want to live a healthy life, whether you're rich or poor, plant what you eat. So come along. Let me show you how to plant yam. It depends on how you plant. Techniques matters a lot. If you don't plant it well, you won't get healthy seed. So plant it well. So if you get a yam like this, make sure you cut the bottom, cut the edge of the yam and remain the head. This one can still be planted, but wow, this is okay. Come along. Come along. Come along. Like you see, the ridge has already been made. Make a round ridge like this and make it to be very high like this, so that the yam will have space to sprout the root. Open it up. Open it up. Make it deep. Make it deep. Make it deep. It's always better to allow it to germinate a little so that you can really know how to fix it. But it's the same. Fix it like this, not slant, not upside down. Fix it straight like this. Let this part face the ground. Then you cover up. Cover up carefully. Ensure you don't cover the head. Cover up carefully. Ensure you don't cover the head. Allow the head to have space to sprout. So that is how to plant yam. Thank you. I hope you learned from it. Stay tuned.